With the Porsline Pro account, you get all the essential features available in the free version, plus more advanced and flexible tools built for professional use. In this video, we'll show you 14 key Pro features that tens of thousands of users rely on every day. Add team members to collaborate. Use the sub-user feature to invite multiple team members from across departments. They can help design, share, and analyze your forms, all within the same workspace. Show questions based on answers. Use logic to display specific questions based on previous responses. For example, if someone selects yes, you can show different follow-up questions than if they choose no, or direct respondents to product-specific questions based on their earlier selection. Auto-calculate scores with formulas. Use the calculations feature to define scoring rules inside your form. Each response can contribute to a custom formula, and the score will be calculated automatically. You can also redirect respondents based on their scores. Customize the end page. Instead of using a default thank you message, customize the end screen with your text, links, or auto-reload settings. This is especially useful for kiosks, on-site surveys, and at events or exhibitions. Add a payment gateway to your form. Need to accept payments for orders, registrations, or bookings? Add a payment question to your form, connect your payment gateway, and let respondents complete their payment securely during submission. Collect files, voice notes, and signatures. With 2 GB of storage, you can collect documents, photos, audio feedback, or even digital signatures, ideal for HR forms, retail fieldwork, or customer service documentation. Upload and position images in questions. Add images to your questions and control their alignment and layout. A well-designed form increases user engagement and response rates. Set submission and option limits. Set a response quota to close your form automatically after a specified number of submissions. You can also limit the number of times each option can be selected, perfect for bookings and appointment forms. Prevent duplicate responses from the same device. Enable 1 submission per device to prevent multiple responses from the same device. You can also track and flag duplicates in your results table. Enable quiz scoring and answer keys. Use the online testing mode section to build online quizzes with automatic scoring and correction. You can also decide whether to show the corrected answers to respondents after submission. Send email notifications automatically. Receive a copy of each submission via email, either to yourself or to the respondent. Customize the subject and body of the email with dynamic content from the form. Get instant alerts via messaging apps. Send real-time alerts to yourself or a Telegram group or channel. Use messaging app notifications to stay updated the moment a response is submitted. Integrate WhatsApp for live chat. Link your form to WhatsApp, enabling respondents to contact you directly while completing the form. Use a branded subdomain and custom link preview. Activate a custom subdomain to show your brand name in survey links, like yourcompany.porcelain.com. You can also edit the preview image and description shown when sharing your link. With these features and many more, you can create professional, high-quality forms in Porsline and collect data that drives smarter decisions. Need help getting started? Our support team is always ready to help.